temperature sizing out there. And today, for most of us, that is, it's a grey, rainy day, grey slate skies shrouding most of the country right now, so dull and damp conditions persisting for most of us, but not for everybody, because the weather has actually been improving across more northern parts of the UK as we've gone over the last few hours or so. So yes, a bit of sunshine after the morning snow, and we did have some in the central lowlands this morning, quite a covering near Glasgow and in Edinburgh. The south of the UK, however, still stuck underneath this weather front, which is stalled here. But we're going to start with Northern Ireland first of all. This is the rush hour, so overcast conditions, temperatures of around about 7 degrees or so. The further south we swing, the closer we get to this zone of thicker cloud and rain. So I still think that around about 5 o'clock in the afternoon we'll still see outbreaks of, or have outbreaks of rain across Cornwall and Devon, temperatures of 8 degrees, a bit of a breeze out there as well, and the rain will hug this coastline as we go through the rush hour, just about clearing the London area. But even when the main band of rain is through, we'll still have 1 or 2 dribs and drabs of rain across the Midlands. Temperatures here of around about 5 or 6 degrees to end the afternoon. Cooler already across northern England and Scotland. We're starting to get these hues of blue here, so that means the temperatures will be dropping off, and some snow showers to end the day, again across the northern half of Scotland. So what's going to happen into the evening hours? Well, basically we start to see the weather front reinvigorate itself across this southwestern quadrant of the UK, and notice what happens. It's moving in the direction, the rain that is, of the cold end. Quite a contrast in the temperatures tonight. And I'm going to show you our air mass graphic that we've been showing you over the last few weeks or so. So this is a schematic of where the mild air is relatively to the colder air. Notice how over the next 24 hours the mild air claws its way towards Scotland, and where we have this zone, the intersection of that cold and warm air, that's where we have the potential for snow, and it could be quite heavy snow as well, so the advice is to stay tuned to the weather forecast. So let's translate that then. From tomorrow morning, the band of rain turns to sleet across the hills of Wales, temporarily snow accumulating in Northern Ireland during the morning rush hour. Then in the afternoon it starts to snow across northern Britain, and this is the rush hour, so all the way from the lowlands of Scotland through the southern uplands into northern England, including the Manchester area. Could be a covering of snow, 2-3 inches, not out of the question. And by the time we're through with that, on Thursday, again a band of rain and wind sweeping our way, not especially cold, averaging say around about 6 to 8 degrees. And as if by magic, I've disappeared.